Cancer Holistic Guidance, Part 22. Dr. Dilip Gadgil, Pune. I was talking about the non-Hodgkin lymphoma case. Allopathy couldn't help the patient and my medicines had proved to be effective. However, his family still thought that Ayurvedic treatment was being done to save money and that it would kill him. When I heard this from the patient's son, I was shocked. I asked him, "Do you think Ayurveda kills people?" "No, it is there to help people improve their quality of life and live a longer and healthier life." But this societal mindset is quite bizarre. The reason behind it, that people opt for Ayurveda because it is cheap, is bizarre. Yes, allopathy is expensive, there is no doubt about it. But Ayurveda is also no longer that cheap. Ayurveda is primarily practiced in big cities, and hence, there are certain expenses like the place, people, and medicines, that have to be incurred. This has led to Ayurveda not being a very cheap option today. However, compared to allopathy, it is still affordable. Another important point here is the objective. We must have complete knowledge about what options are available in allopathy, Ayurveda, homeopathy, etc. Assessing the benefits and disadvantages of each type of treatment is crucial. If the loss is more than the benefit, why would you still want to go for that treatment? Let me give you another example. There was a 15-month-old girl. According to allopathy, she didn't have cancer. There was some growth in her throat area and it was non-malignant, but it wasn't reducing. So, she underwent chemotherapy once. They had come to me before and I had advised against chemotherapy since the girl was just an infant. She had trouble breathing, so I gave her a medicine which was fortunately available. I asked them to give it to her immediately and said we will think about what to do next in the morning. However, they went ahead with advanced chemotherapy. The little girl slipped into a coma and has been in a coma for the last 3 weeks. The expenses incurred by the family, too, have been very high. Before giving advanced chemotherapy to such a small child, the effects must be taken into consideration. There is a saying in Sanskrit that translates into, "A wise person, before thinking about the remedy, thinks about the potential damage." This is an important thing to consider.